Hello, you welcome to my channel. My name is John Bash Ladan. In this video I want to teach you how you can design your t-shirt, trousers, hoodies, socks for free on this company's website. Alright, in the course of this tutorial I will love you to subscribe to our channel, leave a comment below, tell us what you want us to do in order to serve you exactly the way you want, and then give us a thumbs up. I am an affiliate marketer. I make money online. I teach a lot of things online, and so I would love you to stay and watch this video to the end because you have a lot to learn. Now, first of all, we're going to go to a company called teespring.com. You can see it here, teespring.com. When you get to this company, the first thing you're going to do is to sign up. Okay, you're going to sign up as a designer. Alright, here I've signed up already, and that's why you can see my email address. Alright, you can see my email address here. I've signed up, so simple information will be needed of you: your email address, your name, and things like that, and then you will automatically have an account with them. Alright, so once you have an account with them, just as I have an account with them here, you can see my email address. The next thing is you're going to log in back, and then an environment like this will be shown you. So you're going to come here and then click on start designing here. Now, as you can see, it says choose your product. A lot of things here are for you to choose what you want to start designing. If you want to start designing a t-shirt, by hovering around it, you can see start with this. If you want to start with this one's women t-shirt. If you want to start with it, you start. If this one is hoodies, if you want to start with this one is tank top, this one is socks, this one is kitties, and many of them. So let's scroll down so you can see them in large number. You can see them. Anyone you hover around, it will show you an option. You can see start designing. So anyone you choose, it will give you, it will not hesitate to allow you click on it. But in this case, this ones, you can see they are showing a security sign. What this ones mean is that if you want to start designing this, there's going to be a special process. You're going to apply to the company, wait for them to approve before you can start designing this. But the rest of them, like this ones, you don't, no, not this one, I mean this one's up here. Alright, you don't need any special thing to do. All you need to do is just click on it. So we're going to choose one. Let's just choose a simple thing. As I said, you can choose a t-shirt, you can choose a hood. Alright, so let's just choose a socks. You can choose any of those t-shirts. Okay, let's just click on this, start designing, or start with this. Right, you can see it has given us two options. This one says crew socks, this one says socks. So, and look at the cost. Product cost $10.99, ships from both US and EU. This one says socks, product cost $10, ships from US only. So you are at liberty to choose anyone. So let's just start with this. Right, at the moment you click there, look at this environment, this way you'll be taken to. Okay, so the next thing is come here and click on add image. Now this information is actually from my laptop, alright, from my computer. I have a lot of things here that I have downloaded and I have saved, with which I use to design t-shirts and things. So I'm going to go through any one of this one, and any one I choose here. There are many, but I'm going to choose this. Okay, I'm going to choose this. So all I need is to double click on it. Let's wait for it. Look at it loading. Now what this one means is that this one is telling us the front part of the socks, and this one is the back part of the socks. Okay, this is what it's telling us: front part of the socks and the back part of the socks. Now let's click on this design. Let's wait for it because it's going to upload. It's a bit slow, but we're supposed to have that image on this pattern here. Alright, okay, let's click on preview first and see what we're going to have. This is preview, this is the way the shot is, and then let's click on design. Alright, it's in for the network, it's in the network is poor, so let's go back again and click on animate. Maybe we'll choose another one this time around. Let's just choose another one. Alright, as I said, you have liberty to choose anyone. Let's look for another one. Okay, let's click on this. Double click on it. Beautiful. Now you can see it. It has landed right on the pattern. So let's wait for it to upload to get it good. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do here, click on it. Alright, and then pick it up, position it somewhere like this. Okay, and then this other space is telling us that we need to still add another flower. It could be another one, it could be the same flower. So let's just add the same flower. Let's go back again and pick it, or if we like we can pick another one, but I guess we should just pick the same design. Okay, yeah, look at it here. Double click on it. As you can see, it's right on this pattern, waiting for it to upload. Okay, beautiful. So just tap on it and allow you to, so just organize it this way, just let it fit in nicely. This one that is up here, let it fit in nicely. Now the next thing is for us to choose colors. Okay, we at liberty to choose any color, but we're going to choose a color that will make this design to be out. Okay, let's just pick let's say this color. Look at it here, you can see this one changing. We can also pick this one. Beautiful. We can also pick let's say this one. Okay, you can pick let's say this one. Okay, so anyone you choose, the last one you choose will be the default color. So but I like this one, so I'm going to pick this to be the default color. Then the next thing we are going to do is we're going to click on done. Right, after we've clicked on done, then the prices are already, or the price is set already. This is at $15. What it means is that when this company will pick what you have designed, print it when somebody places an order, and your profit is going to be $5 per sale. Okay, your profit is going to be $5, and if it is in euro, it's going to be sold for 17 euro, and then your profit is going to be four euros, okay, per sale. Then the next thing that we're going to do is to click on next. So here you can see it has given us, this is what we have designed, but it's giving us some other options to choose from. Okay, so if you like this, all you need to do is to click on select. So let's wait for it to load. The network is slow, but let's just be patient a little. Alright, so let's just select this one. Select one, it's okay, and then click on done. Alright, and there are many that you can select from. Okay, there are many you can select from, but let's just quickly go to the next stage. And the next thing you're going to do here is you're going to click on continue. Now here you can give it a name. Here you can see purple socks. Okay, and then under description you could just say check this design and buy it now. You can also say you can get it as a gift. Okay, as a gift for someone. So when you have done that, this is enough. And the next thing is that you're going to scroll up here, and it will give you a URL. This address. This is the link of this product you've created, and then look at this place. It's showing public. It means it's worldwide. Anybody can locate it around the world. Okay, and then here is showing our add later, but we're not going to use this option. We have stores we've created. Now these are some of the stores I've created online. There were 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So all I need to do is to click on any of those stores, okay, to place the product there. So I'm going to click on Spring Store. Okay, once I do that, then I'm going to click on publish listing and click on it. So as you can see, it's showing generated product images for your listing, and then saving product images. 1 of 2, it has saved all product images. Preparing your listing. Alright, now at this point it has finished everything. So this is the product, okay, and if I so wish, I can also share this product on my Facebook. Okay, so all I need to do is to click on Facebook. Okay, so let's wait for it a little. Beautiful, it's coming up now. Then look at me, look at my profile here, Bashini John Ladan. So I just see something, so say buy it now, buy it now. And then the next thing is I can just say, you can write anything. Buy it now, is available in our store, and things like that. Okay, whatever you wish to write, you can write it here. Then the next thing is I'm going to now click on post. Look at it here, post to Facebook. So I'll post it to Facebook. Alright, so it's been posted to Facebook. So if you go to Facebook, you're going to say it. Now this is the way to do it if you want to start designing on this company's website, teespring.com. It's free of charge. If you want to learn how to do it in detail, subscribe to our channel. We're going to come up with a more detailed video on first how to create a store on this company. Okay, you can create as many stores as possible, 3, 4, 5, let's say maximum of 5. Okay, and then design. You could design t-shirts, you could design anything you so wish. The price will be placed there for you, and anybody who sees it could place a demand, and the company will print it. When the company prints it and sells it to the person pays, the company will take its own share and then give you your own share of the sales or the profit. And I hope at this point you have learned something. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Leave a comment in the comment section below. Tell us exactly how you want us to come up with videos in order for you to be better, and also ask questions. Alright, and then give us a thumbs up. Thank you, and I see you in the next video.